The business plot was a political conspiracy in 1933 in the United States to overthrow the government of President Franklin D. Roosevelt and install a dictator. Retired Marine Corps Major General Smedley Butler asserted that wealthy businessmen were plotting to create a fascist veterans organization with Butler as its leader and use it in a coup d'etat to overthrow Roosevelt. In 1934, Butler testified under oath before the United States House of Representatives Special Committee on Un-American Activities on these revelations. Although no one was prosecuted, the Congressional Committee final report said, "There is no question that these attempts were discussed, were planned, and might have been placed in execution when, and if the financial backers deemed it expedient." Early in the committee's gathering of testimony, most major news media dismissed the plot, with the New York Times editorial falsely characterizing it as a gigantic hoax. Reporting changed when the final report was issued. While historians have questioned whether or not a coup was actually close to execution, most agree that some sort of wild scheme was contemplated and discussed. On July 17, 1932, thousands of World War I veterans converged on Washington, D.C., set up tent camps, and demanded immediate payment of bonuses due to them according to the World War Adjusted Compensation Act of 1924. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.